Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about break, continue, and comma operator. What exactly we can do when we can able to use for break and when we can able to use for continue and comma operator. Okay, comma operator is a new operator. Okay, and if you see for any programming languages, and there we cannot see for comma operator. This is a only having JavaScript additional one. Okay, basically first we'll go for break. Break is the terminator type of thing. Okay, terminator is nothing but if you want to break something, like we are using for loop and while loop, do while loop, right? And while we are retrieving for some set of values. Okay, inside that you use some certain set of value to condition type. The condition type means if condition, switch condition you are using. There is a break if you after satisfy some set of statement, you expecting for a equal to 10. Okay, if that particular situation comes, you want to break, you don't want to execute for next, you want to break the entire thing. That moment we can able to use for this break operator. This is a completely like a terminator type. Okay, we can able to normal for loop also, like we can able to use, and inside that we need to use for some conditions, then only we can able to break it, otherwise we can't. How we can able to use and what is the syntax will be there. It's like a break. These are only one line of thing, just a break. The break based upon our condition we need to use. Okay, for example, now I have for loop. Okay, let I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, this is my one. Okay, document dot write line. Okay, and here I can able to pass it for my I. Okay, now semicolon. Okay, now I saved it this one and I'm going to run this particular one. It will show for 10 with the live server. See now all 10 are displayed, correct? But I want to break after 5. Whenever my condition is reach out to 5, then I want to break the loop. I want to break the loop. Then how we can able to use if if condition. Now we are using I is equal to 5. 5 when it is come for 5, then I want to use the break. Okay, to break the loop. I don't want to execute for after 5, it should be there only. Then after saving you can see 1 to 5 only is printed. Okay, like this we can able to use it. Okay, this a break is basically a terminator. Even we saw about on the switch case time, right? The switch case also, if you are not use the break, it will execute for continuous. Okay, if you are use the break, then it will close. Can we able to use only in a single for loop? No, even you can able to use for multiple for loops also. Okay, for multiple for loops, how we can able to use? We can say. Okay, first for let I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, and then again I want to create for another for loop. Okay, double for loop. Let j equal to 1, j is greater than or equal less than or equal to 4, j plus plus. Okay, now here I'm going to use for one condition. Okay, if my I plus j is equal to 4, when it is coming for 4 equal, then I want to break entire loop. Okay, now again here I'm going to use a document dot write. Okay, here I'm going to print for I comma j, because both are we need to see the result because of that. Okay, now I'm saving. Okay, after save you can see it is display like this. You can now you can see I1 1. Here you can able to see it is printed here 4 times. Now you can copy this one. I'll paste it here, or else we'll copy completely. Now this is my report. Okay, first one I is basically 1. 1 is printed. Okay, J also 1. Okay, and then both the things are is here it is printed. Both are not equal. Then again 1 and 2. J is 2 because for loop it will rotate inside of second for loop only. It will not go for first. Okay, first always is 1 only. Okay, second one is become 2. Then what will happen? 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 plus 2, it will become 3. That's why again it is a same position. Again it is printed for next and next. Like this it is going to print every time. Whenever it is equal, then it will go. Otherwise it will not. Means it will break here. Whenever it is equal, because here you can able to see 3 comma 1. 3 and 1 it is not displayed, and 1 and 4 also not there, because already here the missing items 1 3 is missed out, and 1 and 4 are got missed because is a break. Okay, again for loop here it is started. Now again 2, first time it is coming for 1, right? Then one time this all the things are comes up to this 2. Okay, 1 collisions. Okay, the missing item 1 3 1 4 because breaked. Okay, again now second time, second for loop is become 2. Okay, the 2 time again it will I become 2. Okay, here 1 it will start, right? Now 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 3 1. Okay, but after that we have 2 plus 2, j become 2. Okay, again it is mixed of 4, 2 2, 2 3 and 2 4 like that. Okay, now 3 and 1 4, immediately it is breaked, and also it is not printed. You can see 3 and 1 is not displayed. Directly 4 it is started, and 5 it is started because it is not equal. Okay, like that we can able, in case if you want outer also you need to break, you can able to break it that as well. Okay, this is the way we can able to use for break statement. Even we can able to use for continue. Continue is nothing but you can able to break that particular one, like particular line item. I will show you. Now you want to use for after 5 you want to break only, you don't want to execute for 5, you want to execute for remaining all the things. Means you don't want to see for 5, but you want to see for remaining things. That moment we can able to use for this particular continue. Means it will only skip that particular item. If you mention for I equal to equal to 5, then only you cannot see for that particular item. Remaining things you can able to see. I'll show you. Continue. Now you can mention for continue. Okay. And here I'm going to cut here and I'm pasting here. Now if I save it, now you can result, this is the one, right? Now you can save this one and come back. See, in this particular integer numbers, you can see if there is a 5 is missed out. There is a 5 you missed out. Okay, because after 5 it will execute. When we can able to go for continue means something your real time you are working some code, piece of code. In that particular piece of code is required some set of value need not be executed or need not be displayed. Okay, that moment we can able to use. If you use the continue for that particular condition, then what will happen, it will skip that particular one and remaining things it will go and execute. Okay, it's a kind of soft assert. Okay, this is a continue statement. Okay, and we have for comma separated. Comma operator is the one new function. Just we can able to specify for comma. This is a comma symbol. Okay, this represent the comma operator. Okay, and basically these are two expression evolution values. It will be carry. One is left side and second one is right side. You can able to do for mathematical operations in these two operators. Okay, left and right by using for comma separated. Okay, how the comma separated it will be presented. Okay, simple example, the syntax wise we can also let a equal to the braces a comma b. This a become a left expression, b is right expression. Based upon that we can able to get the result. Okay, now if we see here, comma, let a equal to, now I'm going to use for 10 comma 5 plus 10 and outside column. Okay, document dot write, and you can able to use for e. Okay, if I save now, you can see this output it is there. After saving and result you can see 15 is there, but you'll get for one more question. 15 is there, where is for 10? Because it will not consider, because the operation it is happen for there. But if you want to see that as well, then how you can able to see? Another way of you can able to see, let x equal to 10. Okay, x equal to 10. Okay, let y equal to, and here I can able to do it for one thing, x plus plus means pre-increment, post increment. Okay, and after that I want to do for x plus 1. Okay, the result become, what will happen here, 11 will get it and here become 12. How means the 10 is there, 2 time increment. Okay, after 10 it will become a 11, means 2 increment is 1. Okay, then x is already having for 11, then what will happen here, 11 plus 1 it will become a 2. Okay, document dot write, you can see x comma y. Okay, x comma y. If I save now, come back, see 11 and 5 it is displaying. 11 and 2. Okay, if you want some spaces, we can specify the space and you can come back, and 11 and 12. Okay, 15 is displayed because of here it is there, that's why it will display. Okay, otherwise it will not. If you comment it, and then 15 will not be displayed. Okay, This way we can able to use for comma operator. Okay, these are the break, continue and comma operator. I hope this information helped for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.